Today we are, kind of powering up our Power BI with the dynamics calculations using DAX. So if Power BI visuals are like the dashboard in a car, DAX is like the engine that brings those numbers to the life. So what is DAX? Have you heard of this term DAX? DAX? Yes, no.
No, sir, no.
Okay. So it's a language for calculations in Power BI. It is more like similar to the formulas in Excel, but much more powerful than Excel. So with DAX, you just do not do the maths on columns. You can create dynamic calculations that respond to your filters, slicers, and context. Just imagine that the Excel formulas are like the pocket calculators. They work row by row, and DAX is like a spreadsheet chef. It creates the metrics that change recipe based on the ingredients, like filters. So why do we learn DAX? With DAX, we can calculate, let's say, totals, averages, counts, and even advanced metrics like YOY growth, that is year on year growth. And most importantly, DAX enables you to uh, report to be fully interactive. Like when you use a slicer or select a category, your calculations instantly reflect it. This means less of hard coding and more of automation, and that gives smart insights for the user. Now, DAX always operates in the context. What I mean by that is, let us say there are two types of context: row context and filter context. Row context is like each row in a table, just like Excel. However, the filter context is what rows in a view based on the user selections. Let us say if there is a total cells and you select total cells from the table, and there are different regions, east, west, north, south, and you apply filter for north, that would select cells just from the north region. That is what the row and filter context is. Okay, so now what we will do is, uh, we will try to learn some of the basic uh, measures using DAX. So can you open the, let me open and say, show it to you first, and then maybe you can follow along. Okay. In the meantime, you can have this interactive sales spreadsheet loaded. I think you already, if you already have saved it, that is fine. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So today's session is, as I mentioned earlier, that it is going to be one of the most important sessions because the measures or the DAX is the base of Power BI, just like formulas in Excel. So if you know DAX well, it will help you to create interactive dashboards. Okay. So we are going to start with some of the basics functions today. Let us start with the so this is the table that I have. Okay. So I have date, region, product, category, sales, and profit. And this is the other table that I have, which has target sales and target profit. Of course, these two tables are connected to each other with the common table over here, which is region. Okay, we are going to explore more about it in later sessions, which is called as data modeling. Then let us try to pull data from one table to another table for now. Okay, whenever you are uh, writing the formulas, okay, or measures, what do is the first and foremost thing, try to have all of them in one place. Maybe what you can do, you can go over here and create a new table. Can you see new table somewhere over here?
Yes.
You can, let us see if it allows us to name measures. We can, that cannot be used. Measures, no worries. We will measure table. Yeah, the measures table has been created. Now, let us have, so whenever you have to add a measure, what you can do is you can select over here in this table and click on new measure. Okay. So in Excel, you guys were, entering, what you can say, the, for example, for calculating sum, you were entering the ranges, right? Every time for uh, the table. But now over here, you'll be just giving a generalized formula. Let us calculate total sale. Okay, total sale is the name of the measure. Total sales. Now, the functions are more or less, similar to what we had in Excel. It is sum, and so as soon as I have entered sum, it is asking me for the column name. And if you see the column name over here, the name are uh, specific to the tables. So right now I want to calculate total sales for the sales column for sales data table.
Data.
Okay, so I will select sales. So there are multiple ways in which you can, narrow down these options. Let us see if I put sales data over here, sales, and I click control. I close the brackets, and if there is no error in the measure, it will be like this. Okay, but if there is error, it will throw up an error with a warning sign. So this measure has been created. If you want to see how it is looking, maybe what we will do is we'll bring it to, and you can also format this measure. It is a currency, so let us put this total sales into currency. And if you want to see it, whether it is, working fine or not, what you can do is you can try uh, having it interactive with the slicer. Mm, see the regions. See, my values are changing. So that is how we can make the measure dynamic. That means it can change with the values of the slicers that we are applying. Okay. Any doubts so far?
No, sir.
Right. And over here, when we are writing a measure, it is just stored in the file. Okay. I mean, in the form of formula. And whenever we applying it, only that time it starts calculation. However, in Excel, what happens is, let's say we have thousands of rows and we want to calculate the sum or average for all of those rows. The formula, you know, gets added to the entire spreadsheet and stays there. So that makes that increases the complexity of the sheet, and maybe sometimes that uh, when the formulas and functions increases in Excel, so that might crash the file. So this is the common problem in Excel spreadsheets, which is file crashing. However, in Power BI that does not happen because this does not consume much of your memory space. That is why we say that measures are dynamic, and it keeps your file size low. Okay. Now similarly, since we have calculated the total sales, let us calculate some other measures as well. Okay. Average or similarly, we want to also calculate the transaction count. What count? Let us count the total rows. How do we calculate is count rows is the function, and I will give pass on the table. This will give me counts of entire table. Okay. Okay, let us throw average sales here and make it change the format, and now this is transaction count. That means the total transactions we have. Got it? Rishabh,
Yes,
Mayur,
sir.
any doubts
Yes,
so
yes.
far? These are the
No.
basic DAT functions, right? We are going to see more advanced of them, but for now, it is important for you to understand it. Now, what I want you to do is, or you already have this spreadsheet open. Do you have it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just load this spreadsheet in the Power BI and perform these calculations, average sales, total sales, and transaction count. Okay. On the top of that, also calculate average profit and total profit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, average profit and total profit also calculate that. And let me know once you are done. You are finished with it. First step, what you will do is just
Measure.
check. First, check if this, if these two tables are present and if they are connected with this region. Okay, go to the model view and check this. Once this is done, create a major table. And once the table is created, then go ahead and create measures. Okay. Rishabh, Mayur, are you with me?
Yes, sir. In model view, sir.
Yeah. Do you see something like this?
1 minute, sir. No, sir.
Do you see two tables, target and search data? Mayur?
No, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay, perfect. Now go to the report view, create table.
Which selects region and product.
It should already be there, right? In your Power BI. Did it not detect the relationship? Share your screen.
Right, sir?
Yeah, just click on that line.
Uh, okay.
Okay, it has detected already. Don't worry. Create a major table. Let me know once done. Okay, then we'll discuss how it has been done.
Sir, sales data on category or date?
Yeah, Mayur.
Sales data on category or date, sir?
Sales data, sales table. So the first part of whatever you are seeing is the table name, and followed by that, whatever is there in the bracket, it is the column name.
Column name.
No, no, you don't. No, no, no. Go back to the formula.
Okay.
Okay. Scroll down,
Okay.
down, down. Yeah, down. So can you
Okay.
see? Wait. Can you see sales data followed by product written
Yes, sir.
over here?
Yes, sir.
So the sales data is the table, and whatever is in the bracket, that is the column. That is the common format you would see. Okay.
We
Now you
can
have to
select it.
select sales data table, sales columns. Come down, come down, come down. Yeah, close the bracket. Enter. No, no, no. Mayur, you
Yes,
are
sir.
trying to create a table, okay? This is the major. Just go back, click backspace, okay, backspace, backspace, go back all the way till table name. Just create, yeah, table.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, just give underscore in between major and table, major and table, between major and table.
Okay,
Wait,
okay.
do not write anything. You underscore, yeah, that is also. And now do not write anything, just give equal to sign. Go back, click on backspace, 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 go back. Do not write sum, delete it. Backspace, yeah. Please hit enter. Yeah,
Enter, sir.
yeah. Now your table is created. Now you
Oh,
will go on the right in the data pane. Okay, can you see those three dots?
yes, sir.
Yeah, click on that. Now click on new measure.
New major.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you will write those three measures: sum, count, and average. Give name to the measure, which is total sales you are calculating. Name it first. Total sales equal to extreme left, extreme left of the formula. Formula. Left, left, left. Yeah. Just name it total sales. Do not name it measure.
Okay, okay, total. Right, sir?
Uh, yeah. Hit enter.
Done it, sir.
Okay. Do it for average and now counting rows as well. Same formula. Same way.
On total sale count.
Yeah. Count rows.
Count rows, na, sir?
Sorry, I was on mute. Count rows and select table. What is the table? Sales data.
Total
Write
sales.
sales data is the table. Write sales data over there inside count rows. Go in the formula left. Yeah, inside bracket,
okay.
write sales data. Can you see the table name appearing? Click on that.
Yes.
Close the bracket. Enter. Okay. Now average. Same way.
New create.
Yeah. Average sales.
Right, sir? Average data sales.
Average sales. Yeah. Hit enter.
Enter that, sir.
Now get a KPI card. Pull those all the measures in the KPI cards. Format them to currency. How would you format it to currency?
Where is sir now?
Okay, how would you format it to currency? Click on the measure. What is the first measure? Average sales. Click on the measure. Go right. Go to the right. Data table. Go to the data table first. Okay, just listen to me carefully. Do not click anywhere first, Mayur.
Yes, sir.
Go to the extreme right. Extreme right. Data pane. Can you see data pane? Yeah.
Yes,
Wait.
sir.
Can you see average sales?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Click on average sales. Okay. Can you see in the ribbon measure
Yes.
tools?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Do it.
But
Click on it. Yeah, it has been calculated. Second, total sales. Same. Got it?
yes, sir.
Now, how do you see if this is these measures are responding to slicers? Click on slicer. No, you have changed the type of it. Control Z. Do not wait. Whenever you are adding a new visual, ensure that not the existing one is selected. Otherwise, it
Oh,
might end up
okay,
changing the
sir.
type.
Okay, sir. Right, sir?
Yes, it is working.
Okay.
Yeah. Rishabh?
Yes, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yes.
Okay. This data is loaded or not, sir?
Yeah, it's loaded. Just can you
Loaded.
see? Can you scroll to the arrow in between two tables, the line connecting two
This
tables?
one.
Okay, both of them region is selected, right? Okay, perfect. Now go back to the report view.
This. Okay.
Yeah. Now create a new table. Can you see new table somewhere? Go to insert,
New.
modeling, go to modeling on the top. Can you see new table? Yeah. Name the table, major underscore table, M capital, T capital,
M.
MEASURE underscore shift and the key below beside zero.
mm,
Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on your keyboard?
Yes.
Yeah. Press shift and after zero and before addition symbol, there is a sign. Shift and that sign. Press. Okay, never mind. Just write table, T capital. Do not use space in between. Yeah. Do not write anything, just click enter. Yeah, now your major table is created. Now go to the major table on the right. On the right. Can you see three dots? Click over there.
And
New major. New major.
new major.
Yeah. Mayur, how can you write total sales? Can you help him?
Sum of,
First, name of the major, which
yes,
is total
total
sales.
sale.
Total sales. In sales data.
No, no, no.
No, no, sir.
Just
No, no. Only to click the,
Just type
only type
total.
that.
wait. Click on major right now in the major table. Yeah, you are already there, right? Total.
Major table. New major.
Create new major. Okay. Write total T capital. Okay, guys, be mindful that you are writing it properly. It is properly readable. Okay. Ensure that you are using proper capitalized text as and when required. Your file, whatever file you are creating, it has to be as clean as possible. So that whenever you are giving that file, providing report to someone, it should look proper. Okay. That gives a good impression of yours.
Total
Total
sales.
sales. Okay.
Okay.
Equal to sum. Okay. Now, first you will have to select the column name. What is the column? Cells, right? Can you see cells somewhere?
Right?
Okay. Now, it might happen that sales column is appearing multiple times. It might have appear on multiple tables. So ensure that your table, whatever you are selecting, the column from should be correct. So right now we are correct. We are selecting it from the sales data. So which is correct. Close the bracket.
Yes. Mm,
Enter.
Hit enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Similarly, calculate average sales and count of transactions, transaction counts.
Again, select this one or
In major,
simply here.
major table,
Go to the major table,
create
create new major.
new major.
Follow same process, just apply different formula. Mother, why don't you guide him?
Yes, sir. Rishabh, write the average, average sales.
In front of major or
No, no, no. Yes, yes. Back him. Okay. Write him average sales.
average?
Sales. Enter that. No.
Write average sales.
No, sorry.
A capital, S capital. Do not write major, Rishabh. Not major word is not required. Okay, wait.
No, sales measure.
It is all. Click escape. Click on escape. Okay, can you see average sales measure? It's already created on the right.
Okay, okay.
Click on that.
Click it.
Just click on that. No. In the middle. Hit escape.
Here,
Go down. Yeah.
more options.
No. Click escape. Yeah. Can you see? Huh. Now go to the formula tab. Just yeah. Click backspace. Yeah.
Right.
Now continue. Equal to average. Equal to
Average sales, data sales.
right average. Okay. Select average.
Sales data. Sales data.
Sales data one.
Only.
You have to select sales
Which?
column from sales data. Where do you say it?
Okay. Date. It's so sorry. It's
No, it is sales date. Go back.
date. Okay, okay.
Can you see sales column? Hold on. Can you see sales column somewhere? Go down.
It's a sales.
Yeah, select it.
Sales data from sales.
Yes. Sales. See, how do you read it? Wait, stay here. Do not do anything. How do you
Okay.
read it? Sales data sales. Sales data is the table and sales is the column. You can read it sales
Okay.
column from sales data table.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Because understanding how you read it will really helpful in you in writing the measures going forward. Okay?
Yes, right.
Yeah. Now click enter. Okay. Now the next one, which is transaction count. Another measure you will have to create.
Total count, sir.
Transaction count. Right? Transaction count.
Now, sir, uh,
Equal to
total row or
count rows.
count rows.
Open bracket. Now
More
select sales data. Right? Sales data.
Okay, all is here. Column, cells, and transaction counts average cells.
Okay, now can you put it in the KPIs? KPI card.
Now,
Silence slasher.
where?
Uh,
Wait, your visual is selected. Just click anywhere else on the canvas. Do not click on the visual, click anywhere else.
Okay.
Yeah. Now select slicer. Can you see the slicer?
yes. Uh,
Fifth row. Yeah. Now bring in the region from sales data. Region, sales data. See if it is interacting.
Yes.
Okay, you did not format it to currency, the tables.
Yes.
Sorry, the measure. Can you go on the total sales measure?
Total sales measure.
Click on it. Total sales. Click. Yeah. Can you make it to dollar? Total sales. Make it to dollars. Yeah. Same for average sales.
Oh, so, how we remove that K?
Sorry. K is there to summarize it. Okay. So if you want to, make it to millions or billions, just click on that 182K total sales.
Okay.
Go to the right. In the
So,
visualization page. Visualization. Go right. Right.
visualization page.
Come
Okay,
down.
okay, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second one. Next one to it. Yeah. Can you see call out value? Click on it. Can you see display units? Click on the drop down. Yeah. Try changing it to none first. And this is million. Make it none. Got it?
Yes.
So it's always good to summarize it well.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Similarly, you can
Yes.
do it for average sales as well.
Got it.
Got it?
Yes.
Shall we move on?
Yes, yes, sure.
Okay. Mm-mm. I hope my screen is visible.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is another, question. that we another measure that we're going to learn, which is calculate. So it is like Swiss Army knife. You know Swiss knife, all of you.
It's like,
Yeah, there is this one small tool, and through which you can cut something with the knife, or it has also a screwdriver. It
yes,
has
sir.
Yes,
also a bottle opener, right?
Yes, sir.
So the calculate function is like that. So it lets us changes or add filters to our measures. For example, suppose we want to know the cells just for north region, we can do that with the help of calculate function. Okay. So how do we do that is we'll go over here, select on new measure. Okay, let's say I'll write a measure cells north equal to calculate. Okay, so when I write calculate, it has this syntax which opens inside it. Okay, first of all, you will have to pass on the expression. So expression can be an existing measure, or you can create your own expression. Right now, I already have the total cells calculated with me. So what I'll do is I'll simply click on total cells. Then I'll this comma. Then what I want is I want to calculate cells from which region?
North.
North region. So I'll say cells
North.
region, then equal to, I'll give the condition, which is north. Now this is the cells. Okay, API card. Cells north. This is 68K. If yeah, can you see this matching?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means my calculations are correct. Now there is something called as distinct count. Okay, so sometimes we want to find the distinct values like the number of uh, unique products sold. So let me see if we have same product being sold in multiple times. Yeah. So if I, let's say, want to understand how many products are there in total from the transaction, there can be multiple entries for one product. But how do I find the unique product? I'll write the function. I'll write a measure. Let us say unique product, and the measure for this is distinct count. Okay. Then I'll give the uh, column name. So you remember while creating a list in Excel, what we did? We used to remove duplicates from the table, from the column to see how many distinct values
yes,
are there. Do you
Ye-
remember this? In
yes,
Excel, we have seen this in data validation,
yes,
Yes.
right? So similarly, we can find the distinct uh, count over here, and I will select the product column. I'll click enter and let us see what we get. I'll again select a KPI card and pass on this unique product. So there are total 4 unique products. How can I verify it quickly if I want to? I'll go here, sales data, and see how many products. I have just 4 products, one, two, three, and 4. That means it's the major is showing the correct value. Okay. Any
yes.
doubts so far?
No,
No.
sir.
No. So I want you to calculate. use, okay, I'll just put it in the chat box. Okay, okay. Use calculate function to calculate measure to find total sales in south and north region. This is number one task. Number two is, okay, can you see the chat box?
Yes.
Yeah. Now I want you to follow the steps I've followed and try calculating them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
And once you are done, let me know. Then we will see if there are any blockers.
Sure.
Yes, Rishabh, Mayur, what are we up to?
Sir, I have solved it unit product, but first question I have not solved it.
Okay, what is the question?
What is the question, sir? Use calculate measure to find total sales and south and north. Means I have not
Okay,
question understand, sir. Only south or north plus south plus north, sir.
okay, let
Total.
me correct.
Sorry, sir. So I am total confused, sir.
Okay, I'm bad. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Total sales in south. Okay, sir.
Okay, so we have already done something similar.
Yes, sir. But it's show that true or false does not. 1 meter. I will share that.
Okay, before that, Rishabh, hello. Rishabh, are you there?
Yes,
Share
sir.
your
Sir,
screen.
yes.
Are you able to solve the problems?
No, sir, I am facing issue.
Okay, let's quickly do. Rishabh, at what time you will be leaving?
No, the today there is no any time issue, sir.
Okay, fine. Because I wanted to cover two more functions. So before that, I wanted to confirm. Yeah, go ahead. Whose screen is this? Mayur.
Sir, why this has to be happen?
Click, click on that.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah. What is this? Unique product. Click on unique product. Okay. So what was the measure that we used? Distinct count. Did you use distinct count? No. You use product. What is product?
Okay.
No, in the beginning. In the beginning. In the beginning.
In product name. Only product. Yes.
Yeah.
It's count.
Can you write distinct count? It should appear in the drop downs. Yeah. Click enter.
Yeah.
Okay. Just click over there. Go back. Go back. Yeah. Select. Now select the product. Open bracket. Yeah. Can you see product? Yeah. Click on that. Close the bracket. Enter.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. The syntax was wrong. That is why it was not
Okay.
appearing.
Okay.
Okay. Did you calculate the total sales for North?
No, sir.
Okay, both of you, what I will do is I will just copy and paste this measure. Okay, this is for North. Similarly, I want you to calculate for South.
Sir, in inverted comma is equal to is correct or underground? Only
Sorry,
plus. 1 minute, sir. I just type it.
I pasted a measure for no. So, uh, okay, Mayur, Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
click on new measure in the measure table.
New major. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It says North. I'll explain you the syntax.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay,
Says not.
just look at the Rishabh screen.
1 minute.
Cells underscore North or cells North. That is also fine.
Tells north.
Hmm.
Okay.
Equal to.
Hmm.
Okay, now what function we are using? Calculate.
Calculate.
Right? Calculate.
Calculate table or only calculate?
Just calculate. So
Okay.
once you click on calculate, in the top, can you see the syntax? Calculate in bracket, expression, comma, filter
Yes.
one, filter two, right?
Yes.
So this
So
is
we.
the syntax we have to follow. Hold on. Okay. So first
Okay.
one is expression. So what is the
Okay.
expression that we want to give? We already have total sales calculated. From that total sales, whatever sales is being contributed from north region, this is the end result we want, right?
Okay. Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Once you have what end result you want in mind, then start writing the measure. Now in the expression, what you will write? Total sales, the measure that we already calculated,
Yes.
right? Right,
So we
total.
have.
Yeah, can you see total sales appearing over there?
Yes.
Click on that. Now give comma. Over
What?
here, what we have to do is, what is the field which is highlighted in the top uh, in the syntax? Can you see filter one highlighted in blue?
Which one?
Filter one highlighted in blue. Can you see it
You
Yes. 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 Yes.
over here?
Yes. Yes. This one. Yes.
Okay. So this is the syntax.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the filter one? What we are trying to calculate?
Shells for the north region.
Okay. So do we have cells already over here? Yes.
Yes.
Now what we want? We want
The
north
region.
region.
Yes.
Okay. Now how would we find the region? Do we have a region column somewhere?
Yes.
Where is it?
Region column.
Over here, right?
Yes.
Okay. So write down the column region over there. REGION.
That's right.
Yeah. Can you see? Selected from there, sales data region. Now give equal to what region we want?
north.
Right, equal to, yeah. Which region we want?
North.
North.
North. Right,
In,
north. No. How would you write north is what? It's in
inverted.
text. So how do you write something in text? Inverted comma? Inverted comma, not in bracket. Click back, back, inverted comma, equal to, oh, equal to, right, equal to first.
Equal to after inverted.
First equal to, then bracket.
Yes. Yeah.
Sorry. Then comma.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you're writing, it has to exactly match with what is there inside the table. Right now it is there, but ensure that otherwise your filter will not get applied properly. Okay.
Okay.
Again, inverted comma. Yeah. Now close the bracket. Okay. You see the bracket which has been opened has been closed. Both of them are highlighted. Do you see
Yes.
them? Okay.
Yes.
Now click enter. Okay. Get a new KPI visual. Yeah. Now put this sales north. Click on sales north. Okay. And now get a slicer as well. Yeah, can you see slicer? Click on slicer, put region into it, region from sales data from below, next table. Yeah, now click on north. Yeah, so right now there is mismatch in your what you can say, how you are summarizing the value. The other one is million and this is in thousands. So maybe that is
Correct.
the reason we are seeing this in millions and but otherwise the numbers are matching. Got it? Set it to auto. That is better for both and make it into uh, make this into what you can say dollar sign. Yeah, Mayur, all
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Similarly, I want you to calculate sales for north as well. Sales for south.
South.
Is it feeling like a too much for the day?
No, sir.
No, right? We have just learned three, four formulas, and this is just the beginning.
What is the formula, sir? For means for sorry. Um, have we write first?
Okay, what we are trying to find right now, total sales in north, in south region,
Yes,
right?
South region.
So for north, how did we calculate?
I will solve it, sir. North. Sorry, south.
Okay, share your screen.
1 minute. Sir.
Okay, can you? Okay, you already written down the formula. Can you select region south from the region slicer?
Slicer. This.
Yeah, the values are matching, right?
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Yeah. So how did you come up with this? Click on the major, yeah. Click on cell south.
Sales south. 1 minute.
Hmm. No, cell south major.
Okay.
Click, yeah. So first, what did you select?
Sales south. Calculate total sales. Oblique total sales region is equal to south. Inverted comma.
Okay, so when I ask you, any one of you to explain something, you have to give me a logic behind
Yes, sir.
it. Okay, and it should not be just in one line. What you can explain over here is what we are trying to, you can say what we are trying to calculate is sales for south region. And since we already have a total sales calculated, we will be using that total sales to find the cells for the specific region, and which we can find using the calculate function. So now what I'll do is I'll write the calculate function, and inside calculate I will write I'll follow the syntax in which the first one is expression. The expression is total sales, and based on total sales I'll apply filter which is on the region south. That is how the total sales for south region can be calculated. This is how I'm expecting you to explain. It will
Yes,
take
yes.
some time, but give it a thought and then start explaining. You might get better at the data analysis, but if you are not able to explain what you are doing, it will get difficult for you while performing your job. So please be mindful about how you are answering. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right. Then how many of you remember lookup table? VLOOKUP, Mayur, Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
do you remember lookup table?
Yes.
VLOOKUP,
Yes,
what we did
yes,
in
yes,
that,
yes.
what we did in VLOOK. Can you hear me?
Yes, 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 sir.
So basically, we used to get value for one particular, uh, let's say, value for a particular column from another column, which is called common in both the table, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right. Similarly, just the way we were doing it in, in Excel, similarly we can do it in over here in Power BI. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what all you can see in my
Yes.
screen? The sales data table,
Sales data table. Yes.
right? So over here, okay. So these are the two. I remember I asked you to check if there is this, arrow in between, and if it is connecting both the tables, right? So this is the region from this table, and this is the region from this table. So both of them, the region is common. Now let us see. I want to add a new column over here, and whatever is there in the region table, let us say target profit or target sales, I want to bring it over here. So what I will do is I will go over here, I will add a new column. Okay, now remember, I want the target sales and target profit from the other table. Okay, so let us say target sales equal to, now this will be specific to a region, so for which I want to get it for the north, south, east, west, all the region. So there is a function called as related. Okay, now in related I will have to give the column of the table from which I'm trying to pull the data. Okay, so this is the target cells. Click enter, enter. Okay, let us see if it has pulled it correctly. So for north, it is 1,80,000. For south, 1,50,000. East, 1,60,000, and west, 1,40,000. Let us see if it has pulled it correctly. Yeah. North 180, south 150, east 160, west 140. That means it has pulled it correctly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I want to, let us add another column, which is target profit. Target profit equal to, target profit equal to, how do I get it? I'll write related. And what is my target column? It is target profit. I
Profit.
will close the bracket, enter. Can you see? I could
Yes.
pull the target profit. Got it? Easy.
Yes.
Just the important condition is these two tables should be connected. There should
Connected
be
to
a
each other.
relationship between these two tables. This is called a relationship.
Okay.
Okay.
If the if any table is disturbed, then how we fix it?
Yeah, we will discuss more in that
Okay.
in
Okay. Sure.
relationship, because I don't want to complicate it for you
Yes.
as
Yes.
of
Yes. Yes.
this moment.
Right,
Okay.
sir. Right. Right.
Right now, just understand that both the table, we should have a common uh, you know common column in both the tables, and through which they can be connected.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Now let us learn about one more function, which is, Just hold on a second. So you may ask that what is the difference between calculated columns and calculated measures? So if you see, these calculated columns are computed row by row, and when the model is refreshed, and they are good for static properties, but the measures are calculated on the fly as user changes the filters or slicer, and they are dynamic for the reporting. They're ideal for dynamic reporting. So what is the best practice? You should use measures for applying for anything the user might want to slice or filter on, and you can use column when you want a new permanent property in the data. Okay, so when something that user may want to slice or filter, you use column. Otherwise, you use measure. And if you want something to be static and permanent, so right now this target I want to be permanent in my table, so that is why I have pulled it from the other table, right? But if I want to have something dynamic, then I will have to make it as a measure. Okay, got it? Rishabh, Mayur, are you with?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, let us try to do one more thing, which is the percent profit margin. Okay. So right now we have already created the measures which are there. Let us try to, we have total sales. Okay. Let us calculate another measure. What is the issue? This is the total sales. Now I will use another measure which is total. I don't have measure for total profit, right? Total
Profit.
profit. Okay. So
Sorry,
how
so
do I calculate total profit? Sum
some
sales
total
data
sales profit.
and profit. Okay, I'll close it. Okay, this is how I can calculate total profit. Now, my next goal is to calculate profit margin percentage. Okay, so say profit margin percentage equal to, now I want to divide profit, total profit by total sales. How do I do that? So I want to divide total profit by total sales. How do I do that?
We write government formula. Means, yes,
So there
divide.
are two ways of doing it. Either we can, you know, divide, let's say, total profit
Hmm.
by total sales. Okay, I can simply do this.
Yes.
But what happens is when it throws an error, let's say if one of the values is zero, that time it might mess up with my entire, entire measure and wherever I am using this. So
Okay.
instead of this, what I will do is I will use a function called divide. Then what is the numerator? Numerator is total
Total
sales,
sales
total profit, my bad.
profit and then total sales.
Total profit, then followed by
Total
total
sales.
sales. And what if both of them are not there? Then I will give a result as alternative result as zero. Okay.
Zero.
So that would avoid any error that it might cause. Okay.
Then means every time we enter that zero, so we means if any value is there, means it's
So,
zero, so there is
so
no
let us
error in
say the
this.
total profit has value of 10 and total sales has a value of 0.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
10 by 0, what? It becomes infinity. It might throw up an error,
Infinity. Yes. Right.
right? Over here, it will just show 0.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So let us totals profit, let us format it.
So
And
all the means that calculated calculation in under that major table. So we put it on
yeah,
when that all values is there and we calculate it from right, sir?
correct, correct.
Okay.
Otherwise, what happens is you do not know what exactly you have calculated. You might calculate some calculations over here, some here. Right now, I'm just showing you the two tables. Okay, so there
Okay.
will be a possibility that you are working with 50 different tables at the one time, 50,
Right.
50,
Yes.
right? Where you would find this all data. That is why it is always good to have it in the separate major table.
Okay.
Okay. And right now, as you are seeing just two of the tables over here, there will be 50 different tables connected to each other. And that time it gets really messy. That is the reason I was telling you to be as organized as you can. Use as clean conventions as you can. It shouldn't be like one is small, one is capital. No. Use proper, uh, you know, uh, proper case sentence cases. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so let us recap. So what we have done is we have learned about the measures today, some simple
Yes.
measures, sum, divide, calculate, right?
Yes.
So these are the, we have various tax measures, of course, depending on the situations we are use it. But before writing anything, you have to think about what is the question that you want to answer. So let us say you over here you were trying to calculate the total sales. So you are trying to find the total sales and accordingly you went ahead and written the formula, which is which which had the sum and total sales and the sales from the sales table, right? But if you are not, if you wouldn't have been clear what to find, then it would have been difficult to decide and write the measure. So always think what is the question that you are trying to answer. Okay, then you have to, as I mentioned, you have to measure your name your measure clearly, just like total sales, just like total sales instead of sales. Then you can, uh, document or comment on the long DAX formula. Right now, we don't have any long DAX formula, but if it happens, you may, consider adding a comment document into it for clear understanding. Then you can also use divide function as I mentioned instead of using the backward slash just to avoid the division by zero errors. And it might happens that uh, you might get stuck with the while writing the measures. So you have, in that case, you'll have to check the data and filters relation data context, because filters and relationship, they will help you to understand and resolve the problem. So any questions for what we have learned today?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. No. Yeah, it's clear.
No, all clear. Okay. So we are going to learn a bit more or bit complex functions in the next session, which is the time intelligence, right? So
Okay. The
we have
part of
been,
Power BI.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Right now, for I think at least next week, for next 10 days at least, we are going to learn Power BI only.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
we'll go and start with another one. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. So in time intelligence, let's say what happens is if we are in the month of August 2025, okay, and if you want to compare sales of August of this year to sales of August of last year. Okay, so how do we calculate that? This is something that we are going to learn, and various similar functions that we are going to learn in Power BI in the next session.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
yeah, all right. I will be sharing the PDF for this session in a while.
Okay, sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, and please practice as much as you can, and at the same time, I hope you have all solved the assignment on Excel I have shared earlier.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will discuss that first thing in the session on Sunday, on Monday, and then we'll start. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure, sir.
Rishabh, you also go through it and solve the Excel assignment, and after that, practice
Yes,
this Power BI measures. Okay,
sure, sir, sure, definitely.
all right, chalo, see you.
Yeah,
Thank
bye, sir.